Well, hello my friends, welcome to another video from Waterkloof Model Railway. In this video we are looking at a Type 34 diesel in the blue livery, bringing a freight train to the car factory at Aloes. It's received a green signal, so it is proceeding past the Aloes station, and then it is clearing the switch to go into the spur track at the car factory. The consist consists of a DZ, which is a gondola type truck with frames, then a flat car with some steel coils, and two container cars with containers with parts for the car factory. Here we see the train passing the station building itself, with the station master waving the train on. In real life, that little platform would be used by the station master to stand on and pass on the Van Schoor tablet. That would give the train authority to continue on that block till the next station or the end of the block, and there the tablet authority would run out. The train is continuing past the switch that leads into the car factory because it will have to reverse back in. So this is a trailing switch and not a facing switch. As the train rounds the very gentle curve out of Aloes, it slows down and it will start reversing into Aloes. As it reverses into Aloes, the train will be stopped at the uncoupler. That is a permanent magnet mounted between the rails, and once it has stopped there, the magnet will do its work and the locomotive will uncouple and depart on its way back to Waterkloof, which is the original depot from where this train originated. There we can see the train being uncoupled, the locomotive checking everything is fine and departing for its return journey to Waterkloof station. And here we are watching the last bit as the loco runs as a light loco back to Waterkloof. Well, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up or a like and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to be reminded when a new video is uploaded.